How's everyone doing? I'm here by the beautiful McLeod River. I'm on the site where we're gonna have the Adventure Expo, and it is so beautiful out here. Figured I'd come out, kind of show everyone what we're looking at and some of the beautiful camp spots that are out here. It's a wonderful area. I'm excited for this fall to have the expo, kind of get things rolling, and I want to show you everything that's out here. Thanks for tagging along. Check out these beautiful lakes, man-made lakes that you can camp around. And it's absolutely amazing. So many campsites all around here, and such different variety. Did I mention that we're also going to have one of these lakes stocked with fish? It's going to be pretty cool, and there's going to be some fishing demos, so you don't want to miss those. Can you imagine fishing just outside of your camper and catching a fish? Well, this can happen right here. So this area over here is going to be the vendor area, and lots of room to display. We just came out here just to kind of take a look and kind of see where else we can fit some more 20 by 20 booths, because, well, they're selling fast, so that's a good thing, but we made room for more. That whole triangle right over here is going to be all vendor area, and in behind here we're probably going to have a couple of vendor tent setups, and then all over here on that side will all be vendors. So lots of vendor room. Pretty excited to get this going, and I'm excited to see a lot of these trailers too. There's a lot of trailer manufacturers that'll be coming out. It's gonna be an exciting event. We also have running bathrooms that are on site as well, so that's awesome. So you don't have to come out here and worry about, you know, that end of things. So the great thing is there's potable water on site as well. So if you get out here a little low on water, we got you covered again. Check out this kids area. Man, I can't wait to go play. Alright, if you don't want to camp on the lake or out in the open, there's a beautiful treed area back here that you can camp in. Lots of little camp spots in here, and lots of just tucked out little areas. It's really beautiful back here. So if camping by the lake isn't your thing, we got you covered. We really do. This is beautiful. The camping in the trees is pretty cool. There's lots of tucked in little areas that you can select and kind of get out of the way a little bit. So there really is a lot of variety in the campsites, and you know, you have your choice. Depending on the fire conditions at the time of the expo, you may want to bring some firewood, but we also have a little bit of backup as well. So from lakeside camping to camping in the trees, there's enough variety here to kind of make things interesting and make it so that you can have fun. And that's the whole point of it. Come out here, have fun, enjoy yourselves, and, you know, really meet some like-minded people and for the first time in a long time, be able to enjoy it. Well, I also want to take this time to thank all of the people who are volunteering their time and helping us get this expo on the go. Man, it seems like the team is getting larger and larger every day. There's a lot of people involved now. Here's a big special thank you to all your efforts. And you know what? Without you, this wouldn't have happened. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you can also go fishing in the McLeod River. So there's lots of areas that you can go and enjoy around here. So don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever there's another upload and some more updates to the expo. And I'm going to leave you with some beautiful shots of the McLeod River.